Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 for quicker wireless. So the iPhone 15 is now here at quicker wireless. You guys have three storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes of storage. So it'll be $829.99, $929.99, and $1129.99 respectively. And you guys have 5 colors to choose from there: black, pink, yellow, blue, and green. And so all the color options are available on the 128 gigabyte version. So yeah, the 256 gigabyte version is $929.99 like I just said, and you guys have the same color options. The blue color is not in stock as I'm recording this video here, and then the 512 gigabyte version that will be $1129.99. You guys will have the same color options, but 3 colors are in stock as I'm recording this video here. The yellow and green color options are not in stock as I'm recording this video here for the iPhone 15 512 gigabyte version. Alright, so there is the iPhone 15. You guys got your color there for your dynamic island, power button on the right side of the phone, volume keys on the left side of the phone, along with your alert button right there. That's the back of the phone. Dual camera setup, camera flash, Apple logo, right side power button, and you have your antenna right there for your 5G and stuff like that. There's a closer look at the back of the phone, like I just said. Dual cameras, camera flash, Apple logo, and there's the front again. So the iPhone 15 has a 6.1 inch display, 48 megapixel main camera, and 3 storage options like I just mentioned. iPhone 15 brings you dynamic island, a 48 megapixel main camera, and USB-C, all in a durable, color infused glass and aluminum design. It's splash, water, and dust resistant. Features: display. The ceramic shield front is tougher than any smartphone glass. Apple says this shit every year. The 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR display is up to 2 times brighter in the sun compared to iPhone 14. Safety: if your car breaks down when you are off the grid, you can get help with a roadside assistance via satellite. And if you need emergency services and you don't have cell service or Wi-Fi, you can use emergency SOS via satellite. With crash detection, iPhone can detect a severe car crash and call for help if you can't. Camera: the 48 megapixel main camera shoots in super high resolution, so it's easier than ever to take standout photos with amazing detail. The 2 times optical quality telephoto lets you frame the perfect close-up, capture portraits with dramatically more detail and color. Just tap to shift the focus between subjects even after you take the shot. Specs: the iPhone 15 has iOS 17, of course. Dimensions on the iPhone 15 are 5.81 inches height, 2.82 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. Display is a Super Retina XDR display, 6.1 inches. OLED display, dynamic island, of course. The memory is wrong. It's 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs. Connectivity options, of course, you guys have 5G, sub-6, and millimeter wave, gigabit LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3. Cameras: advanced dual camera system, 48 megapixel main, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera lens on the back. A16 Bionic chip, 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU, 16-core neutral engine. Battery: built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Hearing aid compatibility is there. Alright, so it looks like that is it for that. If you guys want accessories, y'all guys can go to Amazon and get your accessories for the iPhone 15. Alright, so yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 15 is now here at quicker wireless. All storage options are in stock. but it depends on what color that you guys want. Some colors might not be in stock, so do keep that in mind. So as I'm recording this video right now, all storage options are in stock, so that's really good, but it depends on what color that you guys want. So if you guys are wanting like a iPhone on like the on like the cheaper end per se, and you guys want like a kind of like a compact iPhone a little bit, the iPhone 15 is worth checking out here. It has great specs, great features and whatnot. Of course, this is an Apple device, so you guys are getting the good stuff there. So the new things to the lower end iPhones, you could say, is that it has dynamic island and Type-C charging. That is new for all iPhones this year, so worth checking out there. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.